A warm welcome to all the dignitaries and participants to this largest mapping event of the nation, that is Mapathon. Myself, Praveen Kolle, I am working as a superintending engineer in Water Resource Department, Government of Maharashtra. I express my wishes to this grand event. I am also pursuing my PhD from IIT Bombay under the guidance of Professor Pennan Chinnaswamy and working in the domain of drones, satellites, and crowdsourcing for synergized mapping in the agriculture. The Mapathon is a national-wide collaborative Indian mapping event which is organized by IIT Bombay along with other partners. Participants are expected to come together and create thematic maps using open source data, mapping softwares, and develop new tools, methods that will improve accuracy and usefulness of the maps for a community. The data collected from various platforms have tremendous potential in mapping India's resources, and it will help to lay pathways for future development. I took this opportunity to elaborate on two most important GIS initiatives, first of which is nationwide PMGati Shakti National Master Plan for Multimodal Connectivity, and second is related to synergized mapping. Let's start with the PMGati Shakti. As we have entered in Amrutkal, which is a sort of golden era, and in order to plan and execute the infrastructure project, such as highways, railways, dams, canal pipelines, the accurate information of the existing assets and land is utmost important. For mapping of this project, GIS is very helpful tool, and PMGati Shakti National Master Plan for Multimodal Connectivity is a GIS platform which will bring all the government departments, organizations together through 1,600 GIS layers, and these layers will be overlaid one on top of each other. This mega project is worth 1.2 trillion US dollar, and it will result in integrated planning and coordinated infrastructure development. Water Resource Department is one of the stakeholders in this project. As far as state government are concerned, 28 layers will be provided by the state government in PMGati Shakti, out of which 6 layers are from Water Resource Department. These includes water bodies, embankment, canals, reservoirs, dams, floodlines, and rivers. Once completed all the infrastructure facilities, the GIS portal will be available to all the stakeholders, which will enhance accuracy and efficiency of the decision making. The second GIS initiative is very dear to me as it is my research topic, which is synergized mapping of agriculture. The agricultural data such as crops, yields, area, etc. is required by various stakeholders such as government, farmer, agriculture input suppliers, financial institutions, agro-based industries, and international organizations. And this data is required for fulfilling their objectives, which are mentioned on this slide. There are several issues in collection of agriculture data, which includes timely availability of this data, as this data is collected for every season, and reliability and accuracy of data is a concern for the government organizations. Ease of data collection is an issue as we have to collect the data from each field of each village of each tehsil across the nation. And there is a diversity of the topography, language, crops, etc. The data compilation, data publication, and data dissemination is a challenge unless data is available in the digital GIS platform. Processing and near real-time sharing of this data with all the stakeholders who require this data is a challenge as of now. Query building is possible only when data is available in digital format. The use of synergized mapping will convert data into information, information into knowledge, and knowledge into wisdom. And the methodology of synergized mapping is shown on this slide. In the synergized mapping, data will be collected from multiple sources, which will include government records and field data. Data will be also collected by field surveys, crowdsourcing, satellite, and drones. The algorithm will provide reliable and timely availability of agriculture data, which will result the benefits to all the stakeholders. At the end, I wish all the success to Mapathon 2023 and wish that this nationwide event will result in better understanding of GIS platform and application for developing India. The maps and techniques developed by the student will be rich in data and resolution, and it will be very helpful for the government and private agencies for better decision making. This initiative will help local data at national level. And I congratulate all the organizers of this event and wish a success to this grand event. Thank you very much.